carried a nation's pride, and now it's the end of an unforgettable chapter. Son Heung-min played his final game for Tottenham, and it couldn't have been more emotional. The match was in South Korea, his homeland. The whole country watched. Even actor Park Seo-joon came to honor him. When Son was subbed off, he handed the captain's armband to Davies, and that's when the tears started. Both teams stopped. Applause echoed. Every Tottenham player hugged him. Son sat on the bench and cried. Fans cried with him. At full time, they lifted him into the air. That was his goodbye. Now it's confirmed. Son is joining LAFC in the MLS, reuniting with Giroud. And Richarlison, he wants a statue built for Son at Tottenham Stadium, because Son didn't leave as just a player. He left as a legend.